Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to my channel. And today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious tuna burger recipe. Stay tuned. For today's recipe, you're going to need 3 pieces of fresh tuna, about 18 ounces. After you add your tuna, you want to add some yellow onion, a little bit of habanero pepper, and some fresh parsley. Now you want to blend all these ingredients together for about 30 seconds. Add 1 egg and start mixing. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon pepper seasoning. Add a little bit of spicy honey mustard. Add about 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. Now I'm just going to mix about 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour with a tablespoon of cornstarch. Alright guys, so you want to make sure that your burger patties are nicely coated. This is going to allow the patties to be nice and crispy, crunchy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Alright guys, so you want to turn your stove to medium heat and fry your burger patties for about 1 minute on the first side and another minute on the second side. Just add a little bit more spicy honey mustard on the burger bun. After you add your tuna burger patty, you want to add some pickled ginger and then some chopped spinach. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes.